Welcome to Dulcet Motives, where you learn business ideas that actually work. Let me ask you something. How many times have you said, "I wish I had my own business," and then done nothing about it? If that's you, don't worry, because today, that changes. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to give you real ideas, real steps, and the one thing most people never do, which is actually start. Stay with me. This one is worth it. Asterisk number 1. The truth here is what nobody tells you about starting a business. You don't need an MBA degree. You don't need a huge investment. You don't need connections or a fancy office. Don't you know what you actually need? One problem, one solution, and the guts to show up every day. Every big company you see today, Apple, Amazon, Flipkart, started in someone's garage, bedroom, or kitchen table. They started small. They started scared. But they started. And that's exactly what you're going to do. Number 2, 3 ideas that work right. Let's talk about real business ideas that are working in 2026. No hype, no fluff. Idea number 1, freelancing. If you can write, design graphics, edit videos, or handle social media, you already have a business. You just don't know it yet. Go to Fiverr or Upwork, build a simple profile, offer your skill. People around the world are paying good money for exactly what you already know how to do. Zero investment. Start today. Idea number 2, dropshipping. Here's the beauty of dropshipping. You sell products online without ever touching the product yourself. A customer orders, the supplier ships. You keep the profit in between. Set up a simple Shopify store. Find products on Ali. Run a small ad. That's your business. Many people started this with under 5,000 rupees and built it into lakhs per month. Idea number 3, local services. This one is the most underrated. Tutoring, home cleaning, food delivery, event planning, home repairs. Your city needs these services every single day. Low cost to start, high local demand. And the best part, your first customers are already around you. Your neighbors, your community, your local area. Word of mouth is free, and it is powerful. Number 3, the 3 rules know here are the 3 rules that separate people who succeed from people who stay stuck. Rule 1, solve a real problem. Don't build what you like. Build what people need and are already paying for. Rule 2, test before you invest. Before spending a single rupee, talk to 10 people. Ask them, would you pay for this? If they say yes, you have a business. If they look confused, go back and rethink. Rule 3, start now, improve later. This is the one that matters most. Most people wait for the perfect moment, but the perfect moment never comes. Start messy. Start small. Start today, because 1 year from now you will either have a business or another excuse. So let's recap. 3 ideas: freelancing, dropshipping, local services. 3 rules: solve a problem, test first, start now. That is everything you need to begin. If this video gave you value, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to Dulcet Motives, because every week we bring you real business strategies that help you build the life you deserve. And share this with one friend who's been talking about starting a business for too long. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and go build something great.